Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your RK61 keyboard. So let's say you're having input lag or delay on your keyboard, so you can fix that by factory resetting it. So basically what you'll need to do is find FN key on your keyboard, as you can see, and then put one finger on FN and put another finger on spacebar. Hold it for 5 or 10 seconds until your keyboard starts to flash, and you'll need to hold it until your keyboard is flashing. And after that, after it stops flashing, you'll need to let it go and you'll be done a factory reset on your keyboard. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you factory reset your RK61 keyboard. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.